YouTube? It's me, Kristianna. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a try-on review situation of some luster lipsticks from Revlon. Okay, so look, right, first of all, we know I love lipstick, right? I love lipstick, okay? I actually really love my lips just generally, but that's a whole nother thing. Okay, so we're gonna try these lipsticks on. I had been thinking about the fact that I don't have a lot of luster lipsticks, so I picked some up. Okay, so this is the Super Lustrous multi-finish lipstick, Bare It All, Gold Pearl Plum, and Cherries in the Snow. Cherries in the Snow, I like that as a name. We're gonna see, but this is like two, actually it's like one kind of neutral, one kind of berry color, and then almost like a red. So we'll see what it's gonna give, but let's get into it. Interesting that the first two colors like come with like a see-through top. I don't know if you can really see that, but these first two colors are very see-through at the top, right? Clear, and then this one is dark on the top. So it's really interesting. Okay, I think I'm just gonna open them all, and then that'll make my life easier because they have this like don't steal it plastic all over it, all over all of them. I tell you, when you have nails, these things are like the worst. One down. While I'm fighting for my life trying to get these lipsticks free, I do want to say that if you're new to this channel, welcome. We are actively building a beauty channel from the ground up, baby. And it's gonna be a journey, and I'm into it, and I'm glad that you're here to do that with me. That's two down, and actually this last one, the weird one I was talking about before, actually doesn't have that. If I twist it, I think the seal should come off. Maybe? No, I gotta peel it off. Okay, now we're ready. Even though this last one now is like sticky as heck. What are you gonna do? Okay, so Bare It All. Okay, I have lip gloss on, just a regular lip gloss on, so I'm gonna take that off first. Okay, so we're gonna try on the first one, which is 755 Bare It All, which is a cream luster. Ooh, this is so pretty. It actually, I'm really hoping will be another lipstick that I can kind of do the like brown girl lippy aesthetic with. It's so gorgeous. Revlon really is like up there, I would say like up there with MAC in terms of being like a classic brand, right? And very classy. You see the packaging, very classy. I don't think they've ever really tried to like, I don't want to say keep up with the trends, because that's not exactly what I mean, but they've like stayed in their own lane per se. You can't see what I'm looking at, right? But it almost went on like a balm. It feels like a balm and is giving luster. Okay, let's have some vision, okay? Again, finding like the perfect lip liner to go with this. You know what? Let's like not even have vision. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. I'm gonna take it off. We'll use this brown liner I have sitting up here. I usually use this for my eyebrows, but it also looks good on the lips. Okay, now let's try again. Put that right in the middle. Do you see the vision? Okay. I'm into it. Maybe even with another gloss on top. Let's see. I have this just like regular clear lip gloss. I'm just gonna take a dab. So pretty. Yeah, this is a winner for me. That's Bare It All. Bare It All. Yeah. Let's check out the next one. Gold Pearl Plum. That's a little tricky. Ooh, how gorgeous. Now, I've never really been like a luster lipstick girly, but this is really something. I might put this one in my purse. I feel like so far they both have like this one and the last one both just have a casualness that says like you can wear them at any time, any event, any occasion. like this feels so regular to me in a good way, like not boring, you know. It's a little something, it's a little something, but it's really pretty. And also I'm just in love with how it feels as it's rolling onto the lip. Which again is not really that important. Is not really that important, but I like it anyway. I'm just super into it. Now last but not least, we got Cherries in the Snow, which I'm really excited about trying because I just love red lipstick. This actually to the eye is leaning more pink. It's like a bluish kind of lipstick, bluish red, if that makes sense. You have like orange reds, you have blue reds. This is giving kind of blue, but you can even see the luster just like staring at it. Like I can see that it's a luster, which is really cool. Here goes nothing. This also feels like a handbag lipstick, and I keep saying that because I just feel like not every lipstick can travel with you in a way that like you don't have to go to the bathroom to apply it kind of thing. This feels very easy. I love this so much, and you can feel the luster. Now, just in case you were looking for an actual swatch on the back of the hand, I thought I'd show that to you as well. So gorgeous. I think the red is definitely my favorite, but the last two are just like the most wearable, or like wearable on a dime, because red is wearable too. Just you gotta sometimes look and make sure you know what you're doing. Yeah. Even backed out, it's just so pretty. She's that girl. Anyway, that's Revlon Super Lustrous Lipsticks. What do you think? Which one is your favorite? And like, which one looked the best on me? I don't know. I think it's a mix between the Bare It All, again with the lip liner, and this red, I think. Whew, you let me know. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.